welcome to Kia's Lifestyle. If you're just joining me, welcome. Today guys, I will be installing the 12-inch spring twist here, and as you can see, I already did the back. I'm just trying to turn around so you can see the back. And I'm off to do the front of my hair. So guys, I have one pack of hair to go, and how I should say this now, 1¼ pack, yeah, something like that to go. I'm gonna use this. And guys, I have the hook. All right, I have the hook, I have my tail comb, I have my scissors. If anything itch, I can just cut it. I have my edge control, which is the booster, okay, and I have my, I don't know what to call it, but it's my edge brush, edge comb. Anyways guys, these are the tools I'm going to use. So first, I'm just gonna separate the hair like this. So I like to measure, you know, do it like that, have it, hold up guys, I am not a hairstylist, I'm just trying because I already did my hair. I twist and then I connect it with another one. I'm not good at cornrowing, but as you can see, yeah, because at first I used the rubber bands but it never worked, so I had to like redo my hair. Okay, so I push down because you don't want the bump of the hair to show. All right, you want it to look as natural as possible. So it's right here, I push it through here, then the hair, which is already measured, okay, I take it like that and then I put it down on the hook like that. Then I close the hook, pull up, open the hook, and this is just my way of doing it. You're just making sure that it's not knot. Then you take it through the knot, and ta-da! So I'm just gonna do the rest. there you have it. It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.